Hello everyone, welcome back to Teacher B. In today's tutorial, we are going to consider this geometry question. Solution. In the question, we were given that angle XTR is 37 degrees. Angle STR is equal to 37 degrees. And also, angle QRT is 59 degrees. Angle QRT is equal to 59 degrees. And the question asked us to find angle SPR. Angle SPR is currently unknown. And this is our angle SPR. First, let us find angle TSQ. From this diagram, you will see that angle TSQ and QRT both stand on arc TQ. Now, according to angles in the same segment theorem, we state that angles subtended by the same arc or chord at the circumference of a circle are equal. So the theorem says angle TSQ and QRT are equal to each other. So angle TSQ is equal to angle QRT. So angle TSQ equal to our angle QRT is 59 degrees. 59 degrees. So we can say this angle is 59 degrees. Let us find angle SPR. But before we find angle SPR, let us consider this diagram. Now in this diagram, let us say this angle is A, this angle is B, this angle is C. Now according to exterior angles theorem of a triangle, which states that exterior angle is equal to the sum of two remote interior angles. What the theorem is saying is that the sum of these two remote interior angles, A and B, is equal to C. So mathematically, the theorem is saying C is equal to A plus B. Now, if we compare this shape with STR, you will agree with me that our 59 degree is A, our 37 degree is B, and angle SPR is C. So we can say angle SPR is equal to 59 degree plus 37 degree. Angle SPR is equal to 59 degree plus 37 degree will give us 96 degree. So the correct option is B. If you find this video helpful, kindly like, share and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Thank you.